Hey there folks, James Hilliard here for Connection, and we've got an unboxing video for you. We're looking at a laptop that is geared towards the education market, this one with a little more of a nod towards teachers out there. It's called the 14W, it's from Lenovo. Let's unbox it. All right, well I can tell you on first kind of feel, pretty sturdy device. This looks like something that can take a couple of knocks and keep on ticking out there. As I open up the 14W here, notice the aluminum casing here that is on it. I know that it is military grade specs, so again, some of those knocks and mishaps that happen in the classroom, this is going to be able to handle that. The keyboard here is spill proof. Teachers working on some homework, grading papers, student knocks over a coffee, it's going to drain right off, quick cleanup, you're on to your next lesson. Now, teachers don't always have all their students in the classroom at the same time. There are remote learning capabilities here, and we're tied that into 2 microphones and an HD webcam. So again, a great way to connect with students not in the classroom for some of that remote learning out there. How is this machine powered? Well, it's powered by an AMD A6 dual-core CPU. Also has up to 10 hours of battery life, so you should be able to get to school, get through that school day, and head on home and still have some juice left at the end of the day. There are a couple options that folks can choose from. One is a touch screen option. Another option has to do with the operating system. Windows 10, National Academic, or S Mode is what you can choose from. If you choose S Mode, you can only download apps from the Microsoft Store. Thousands of apps out there to help teachers with their lesson plans. So this is the 14W. It's from Lenovo. If you want more information, head on over to connection.com/Lenovo.